maano ka.
Here we are, so thankful to be in this place. So enjoy the gentle breeze, live life with peace
Baba pa.
and with grace.
Baba pa. Baba pa. Baba pa.